How are you today? I'm fine, thank you. And I'm very happy today because I am going to learn with you. And let's begin our phonics lesson right now. We're going to review special sounds. Let's say the special sounds together. In bigger, E-R, Let's say it again. In bigger, E-R, We have some words. Let's read the words together. Student watching, help me read this word. Yes, it's helper. Do you like being a helper? Helper. Slower, dresser, louder, smaller, and softer. Now, this is how the elephant feels. The bears feel bigger, but the elephant feels biggest. S in biggest, E-S-T, S-S-S. Let's say it again. S in biggest, E-S-T, S-S-S. Good. We have some words. Quietest, shortest, softest, smallest, tallest, and loudest. Okay? I would like a sentence using the word smallest. The squirrel is the smallest animal. We have these special sounds too. Li in slowly, L-Y, li, li, li. Let's say it again. Li in slowly, L-Y, li, li, li. Softly, quickly, costly, lively, verbally, and freely. And do you notice something in common? What is this? Do you remember it's called a hi? Yes, it is called a hyphen. That means it is a suffix. Now, our new special sounds is N in sharpen, E, N. Listen, I say again, N in sharpen, E, N. We have some words, gentle, frozen, flatten, broken, freshen, and darken. I would like a sentence using the word broken. Oh no, Mom, vase is broken. She will be angry at me. And let's say the special sound like this. Yes, let's say like that. It's in bigger. It's in bigger. S is S in biggest. Is S in biggest. Li is li in slowly. Li is li in slowly. N is N in sharpen. N is N in sharpen. So we finish our lesson right now. Remember to practice these special sounds until you know them well. I might get your video, and don't remember to subscribe my video. Nhi and Ban, and bye. See you next time. Have a good day.